sign of how close the U.S. and China are to a trade deal, I'm told by two sources familiar with the matter that a deal could be announced next Friday. This as negotiations are going on in Beijing this week with top U.S. officials there. And then next week, the Chinese Vice Premier returns to Washington for negotiations beginning Wednesday. And I'm told by two sources familiar with the matter that that could portend a possible deal announcement Friday, an announcement of a potential summit between President Trump and President Xi to follow. Melissa?
Kayla, are you getting a sense as to what issues have sort of been smoothed out? I mean, there were some indications that President Trump was backing away from some of his demands regarding cyber hacking, cybersecurity.
Well, I'm told that the cyber theft issue is part of the deal, but that there are some nuances included in the deal that may have seen some relaxation. I don't have a sign as to whether President Trump was the decider in the change there, or exactly what the substance of the change there was. But we do know that cyber theft is still a major portion of this deal. It's just unclear what the content of the deal on that section is. There are also reports that there has been a concession made by the U.S. to officially roll back the $200 billion tranche of tariffs. Officials have been telling me since February that is the likely outcome as a result of this deal, though some sources that I've spoken to today have expressed some skepticism about the U.S. potentially making that decision this soon before a summit between the two leaders. But certainly we are in the escalation phase of these talks, and some of these concessions might need to be made in order to get to the finish line.